So we're gonna be doing class this time, once again. And this is gonna be the last video of my warlock until I reach it once again after the cycle.
Clash. Bravo team. Stick together, team.
God, why do I miss? Son of a bitch, I wanna shoot someone. Holy crap. Holy crap. Son of a bitch. This one's getting a little fun. Not necessarily myself. Where the hell are people? People. Haha! What did you totally miss? Hi. Come back up. Ah. Me. Haha. If I want to kill, I'm gonna get that damn kill. I'm too lazy to do anything else, so I actually feel I can do something. Son of a bitch! Oh. Oh. In my page. Oh, that'd be so creepy if someone actually did that. So, since I don't want to make this well awkward for me, let's talk about teabagging people when they're dead. Don't do that. Just don't. It's annoying and it's uncalled for. So stop doing it if you do it in Destiny or any other shooting game. I mean, unless you're in story mode. Sure, you can do it to computers. But just don't do it to people on multiplayer. Just don't. I forgot to supercharge it. How the hell did I forget that? Well, I do forget a lot of things. You gotta wait for them to come up. You can surprise them. Like jump scares. Except the jump kills. Right? That? Pun? Is it punful? My life is sad. No, it's so safe. Come right on up. Come on. Fuck you. You're the hell of people these days. Oh! Woo! Oh my god, see what I'm talking about? Oh! They go so freaking slow because they glide. Oh yeah, I have no ammo. I'm granted there's ammo around me. I'm getting way too lazy for this shit. My bitch. golden gun. Why didn't he use it? Oh my god. You know, you wanna know something? People can hate people sometimes. Oh my god, you rolled big versus. Let's go and kill him. Oh my god, I was shooting in front of him. Oh. Oh. Oh my god! Damn it! Ah! Fuck you. Hate you. I hate you in specifically. You can do that too. Huh? You're kidding me! They don't go where I want them to go! Traps fail! My traps fail. People! Stop going in the way! Dumbass. Where the hell are you? Really?
More efforts like that, and we might just win this.
So yeah. Thinking stupid! Ugh! So the next 5 videos are gonna be a Mike Titan. So, yeah. Oh, god damn it. Anyways, let's just do this. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and or subscribe if you haven't already done so. And leave a comment down below what you thought of the video. Utah Spiral, out.